Hi guys, so in this video, oh, I wasn't sitting properly, sorry. Okay, so guys, in this video I'm going to be unboxing the Nokia 8.3 5G phone for you in this phone. So if you want to see what this phone looks like and what I think about it, how it feels and all of that, then please keep on watching this video. And this is actually my first impression of this cell phone right here in this video. So if you want to hear my thoughts on this phone, then please keep on watching this video. So this right here are the features of the phone. This right here, so you can see here that the camera is a pure view with this optics. It's a 64 MP main and super pixel ultra wide phone with 2 MP macro / 2 MP depth quad camera with a 24 MP front camera. Wow, it has this cinematics capture and editor. The captures ultra wide cinema 21.9, that's the dimension format, and adds color grading plus lens flare effects. I really wanted to try this Nokia phone for myself because from videos I'd seen, I saw that the quality of the camera was really superb, and even the video quality with the Nokia phone is also very amazing from videos I've seen, because it tends to add more of a vibrant color to photos. That's really one thing that stood out for me with reviews I'd seen about this Nokia phone. And also they said the sound of the phone is very loud when you compare it to other phones. So the sound quality, the picture quality, video quality of this phone right here is said to be really amazing. It's said that the phone actually shoots videos in 4K. So right here is very affordable. In Nigeria here, I bought it from Slot for 232,000 naira. 32,000 naira. So that's how much this phone right here cost me. So let's get right into the phone. Let me show you what the phone looks like and feels like to me. This right here is the Nokia 8.3 phone, and phone is quite similar to the Samsung phone because just the same way Samsung phones tend to come with tiny ports where you push to bring out the SIM. I think this phone also comes with a tiny slot like that, because this right here is what I'm supposed to use to eject the SIM slot to bring it out. And this is a similar feature to Samsung phones. So this right here is the SIM slot, just popped open now. Yeah, so it actually has a slot for 2 SIM cards. So I can put one SIM here and put the second one here. And I really love the fact that this phone provides the option of having 2 SIM cards. So people who tend to have 2 SIMs, they could use their 2 SIMs in one phone. That saves you the cost of having to buy a different phone for another SIM card. So right here I can just slot in my SIM card. I've successfully inserted the SIM card into the phone, so I'm just going to turn the phone on right now. And I think the power button is this one right here. This right here is the power button, and it's also a fingerprint button as well. So from the features of the phone, it said that you can use this button right here to turn on the phone, and also use the fingerprint to access certain features, which I'm yet to find out about, of course. First impression. So the phone is the software, or I don't know what they call it, software or whatever, it's actually Android one. So I'm just allowing the phone to turn on. Wow, Nokia. Who missed that sound? I really did miss that Nokia sound, because really very few people use Nokia phones these days, and I really don't know why. So I decided to just give this product a chance. Wow, okay, that's my SIM. It's giving me some notifications. I would say that one of the things that really drove me to buy this phone is, number one, the camera quality. Number two is the video quality, and also they said the sound of the phone is really nice. Like it's quite loud, and it's quality sound. So I'm just going to quickly test this camera. I'm going to compare this camera right now to the camera of my Samsung S8 Plus. So I'm going to take a picture of this wall right here, or probably a flower, and put what the Nokia phone gave me and what the Samsung S8 will give me on the screen, so you guys get to compare the quality of both phones and choose which of them you prefer. It looks really nice. It just has a way of making everything look really clean, which I love. Okay, so I'm just going to compare the Nokia phone camera quality and the video quality to the Samsung S8 camera quality and video quality, so you get to decide for yourself which of them you prefer. Just has a way of making everything look really clean. This is the Samsung S8 camera quality here. And I want to play music right now, so you guys get to hear what this phone sounds like. It's loud and it's clean. Okay, let's hear it. I'm just playing one of my favorite songs from YouTube, Burmese. Okay, I want to increase the quality so I get the best quality of the video. Wow. I don't know how to increase the volume. Yeah, this is the highest. Love the screen. I love the screen. I love the wide view of the screens because I don't watch TV, and I like to watch everything on my phone. So having this wide screen view and the quality of the sound is just really amazing. So guys, I think I am loving this phone right now. I'll probably do an updated video by the time I've used this phone for about a week or even 1 month, but so far so good. I think I'm loving this phone right here. So that's it on my first impression on the Nokia 8.3 phone. So guys, in about a week or a month, I'm probably going to do an updated video on my thoughts on this Nokia 8.3 phone. So generally, if I'm to rate this phone on a scale of 1 to 10, I would be rating this phone 8.5 because it's affordable, guys. It's just 232,000 naira. When you compare it to the iPhone 11 phone, iPhone 11 cost 550,000 naira, and which is times 2 plus extra the cost of this phone right here. And this phone is just affordable. The phone is affordable. The quality, the photo quality is amazing. The video quality is amazing. The sound is amazing. For watching videos, it's really the bomb. And those are the things I really care about, that I look out for in a phone. And this definitely is meeting all of those needs for me. So that's the reason why I'm actually giving this phone an 8.5. So the thing I would say I don't like about this phone is the fact that it's a bit heavy, but I think it's something I can get used to. It's more like I'm just doing a little bit of hand exercise, but I think it's set to weigh around 200 grams, which is, well, it's not bad. I think I can get used to the weight of this phone. And I also like the fact that the phone came with this phone case right here, and ordinary regular. It came with the ordinary regular Nokia charger, the good old Nokia charger. But the only difference is the shape of the charging port. The shape of the charging port looks a lot like the that of the Samsung S8 range charging port because it's wide, just like the Samsung S8. I don't know if you could actually charge Samsung S8 phone, but that's what the shape of this looks like. And the earpiece is just the regular earpiece. which tends to come with most Android phones. So that's basically the accessories that came with this phone. And it also said that the battery life of this phone lasts really well. I was told it could give me a day and a half battery life, like it could last for a day and a half. So that's actually major plus for me, because I'm always on my phone most times. So for me to have a phone that could actually give me a long battery life, I totally would love that. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and please look out for my updated video on the Nokia 8.3 phone in about a week or even 1 month. I'm going to do an updated video on my thoughts on the Nokia 8.3 phone, and just let you know if it's worth it for you to spend your money purchasing this phone. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and please, if you're yet subscribed to my channel, kindly support me by clicking on the subscribe button just right below, and also turn on the post notification bell so you know when I upload a new video to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, remember, be bold and have courage. Live a positive life. I love you guys. Bye.